And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the alien map function. You can use it to turn your photos into fantasy landscapes. For example, this one, you will find the original via description link below. Let me copy it, I rename it, and now I go to colors, map, and there is the alien map function. Check the preview, and by default it already looks good. You can switch to HSL, so hue, saturation, lightness, but I want to use RGB for red, green, blue. And now it's all about adjusting the phase and frequency of these colors. For phase, you can go a little bit higher, and it still looks somewhat fine. You can also keep the components by checking the box, and then see that the phase and frequency for this specific color will be blended out. I've got them all unchecked. So let us address the red frequency. And here it's a little bit different. For the most part, you want to keep the frequency relatively low. Don't go too far above 1.0. And in this case, I actually like it if I go below it. But for the phase, you can go higher and it still looks like a decent result. By the way, this little circle, so this, whatever you want to call it, clock icon, it's just the same as you would use the slider. So you can rotate that and the slider is going to be adjusted. Confirm it, and by copying it previously, we can now blend it with the original. So that gives you one more layer of freedom to adjust it. In this case, I'll keep it to 100% opacity. And these are the basics of using this alien map effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.